There are two ways to change your MYBC password, either at the point of logging into MYBC or while you're logged into MYBC. If you have forgotten your password before logging in, you can request a password reset by clicking on the Don't Remember Your Password link at the bottom of the login box. Enter the email address that is currently registered on your MYBC account and click Send Email. When you simply click on the link provided and enter your new password, then enter it again to confirm. Once completed, you'll see a pop-up box confirming that your password has been reset successfully. When you next log into MYBC, log in with your username and newly created password. To change your MYBC password once logged in, go to My Profile and simply click Change Password. A password reset email will automatically be sent to your currently registered email address. Thank you for watching.